Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Teacher Director. In this video we are going to do chapter number 5, 10th class math textbook, which is arithmetic progressions. In page number 20 we have example line like this. The question is, it's going to be an interesting topic, right? Interesting question. A sum of 1000 rupees is invested at 8% simple interest per year. Calculate the interest at the end of each year. Do these interests forms an AP, arithmetic progression. Find the interest at the end of 30 years making the use of this fact. Okay. Before going to know this, do this. You have the formula of a simple interest, right? I equal to PTR by 100. I equals to PTR by 100. Here I stands for interest, P stands for principal, T stands for time, R stands for rate of interest. Okay, by using this formula, we can calculate the interest. Okay, there is a shortcut to calculate the percentage, but I am not going to use that because it's a descriptive question for 4 marks. I am telling half mark bit, multiple choice. Okay, now principal amount is 1000 rupees and the rate of interest R is 8%, time is 1 year. Now I equal to for the first year I equals to PTR by 100, which is equals to P stands for 1000, T stands for 1 year, R stands for 8% divided by 100. Two zeros get cancelled. We get 80 rupees interest for the first year. Next, for 2 years. For 1 year, this is one. For 2 years. For 2 years. Same. Principal is constant in simple interest. Principal is 100%, 1000 rupees. Rate of interest 8%. Time is 2 years. For 2 years, same. I equals to PTR by 100, which is equals to P stands for principal 1000 into time is 2 years, rate of interest 8 divided by 100. Two zeros get cancelled. 2 8s are 16. 16 10s are 160 rupees for 3 years. For 3 years, same principal is same. P equal to 1000 rupees, rate of interest is 8% and time is 3 years. Therefore, I equals to PTR by 100, which is equals to principal is 1000 rupees, time is 3 years, rate of interest is 8% per annum divided by 100. These two zeros get cancelled. 3 8s are 24. 24 into 10, 240 rupees. These are the interests. These are the interest rates for the first year, for the 2 years, for 3 years, for 1 year, for 2 years, for 3 years. They are asking like this: calculate the interest at the end of each year. We calculated at the end of 1 year, at the end of 2 years, at the end of 3 years. Now, do these interest forms an AP. For example, write these interests in a row, in a list. First year 80 rupees, second year 160 rupees, third year 240 rupees, and so on. Okay. Now 80 plus 80 160, 160 plus 80 240. Therefore, do these interest forms an AP? Yes, these interests forms an AP. Yes, interest forms an arithmetic progression. Interest forms an AP. If find the interest at the end of 30 years. Now the interests are in AP. When this is in AP, we can calculate 2 points. First one is first term A is 80 and difference d equals to a2 minus a1, which is equals to 160 minus 80, which is equals to 80. Now a equal to 80, d equal to also 80. Now we have to calculate interest at the end of 30 years. Now we have to calculate in progression words 30th term. Okay. Now interest at the end of 30 years is interest at the end of 30 years is interest at the end of 30 years is. Now we have the nth term of AP an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an stands for, we have to calculate an a30 equal to a stands for 80 here plus n stands for 30 minus 1, d stands for 80, d stands for 80. Therefore the 30th term a30 equals to 80 plus 30 minus 1, 29 into 80, which is equals to 80 plus 8 9s are 72, 7 carry, 8 2s are 16 plus 7. What is 16 plus 7? 13, 1230. Therefore the interest at the end of 30 years will be 1400 rupees. Okay, this is regarding simple interest formula. Therefore any simple interest on any amount, for whatever the years, for 1 year, 2, 3, 4, 5 number of years, it will be on arithmetic progression. Okay, thank you. But the compound interest varies.